Hello you bunch of cloudheads, Vaping Big here with another review. I was actually planning to do the other product that I'm actually shooting today, but I left the product in my working truck, so we're gonna do a pod review. Yeah, we're gonna look at the Voopoo Argus A. A little bit differently shaped, as you can see. You got a dual screen there. You got the infamous Argus pod in there, 3ml, newly updated you get with that. And there's also a 2ml version, of course. Vapes great. I got the nice white one here. There are multiple color options there. I guess they didn't make a yellow one because it would look like a minion, I guess. So yeah, there's some cool looking colors, guys and girls. Yeah, it's a phenomenal pod. The flavor is great. Yeah, so it's about time we dive down. Let's dive down. Here's the box it comes in. As you can see, nice little box. You display your color. Let me put my thumb on the QR code there. Then you got your dual zone display, they state, a dynamic vaping animation, a slide on off button, which is a rarity on a pod system, so it's cool they have that. And then they have a vaping habits record. So that's pretty cool. So what's inside of the box? You'll get your pod system. You get a 0.4 cartridge, a lanyard, USB to USB Type-C cable, a user manual, a little tip card for noobs, and some silicone gel, not for oral consumption. Let's take everything away and look at the device, of course. Now here's your little Argus A pod. Zoom in a little bit. We're getting that better view. There you go. Nice, vibrant and easy to read dual screen display. Here you got your Type-C USB-C port. This device has an internal battery of 1100 milliampere. With the 2 amp charging, you will be able to charge it within 40 minutes. You got your physical on-off switch. There you go. It has also a vibration function, so whenever you do certain stuff, the product will vibrate a little bit. Here's your fire button and for navigating the menu, because this thing has a menu, yeah. Nice Argus branding here on the back. Argus A. Here you have your airflow control, which is kind of hard to move, but that's actually a good thing, because when you slide it in your tight jeans pocket, it won't budge. So yeah, that's cool. And here you have your lanyard holder, and then yeah, on the inside you have your magnets, your contact points. And this is the 0.7 cartridge. So while talking about cartridges, here are the cartridge options for you guys. So you can basically do anything from MTL to restricted direct long. You can use freebase, nic salt. There are also open cartridges with plug-in coils. And let's light up some statistics and measurements for you guys as well. Now, heading back to the device. Yeah, see, you put the pod in, it says your best power and resistance as soon as you put the pod in. Of course, your resistance will be here, your power, your puff counter, which I cleared recently because I was playing with it. Because yeah, there's a lot to play with. Let's zoom in just a little bit further and show you the whole menu. There we go. Well, there are some options. You can use this as a fire button, then you get this nice fire animation for those people who are missing their combustion. You can do 2 clicks and you will turn off the screen. So yeah, now you have like stealth mode. If you don't like all those animations and colorful things popping up, no, if you vape it, no animation, nothing happens. 2 clicks to turn that back on. There you go. And in power mode, if you do 3 clicks, it will vibrate there and pulsate here, and now you can, oh, it was too slow. Now you can change the wattage. It will state me it's the max power for this coil. You press it again, a round robins, and then you can go all the way up to 18 watts again with this pod. Quite simple. Now you can drag to set it or just wait. 5 clicks will get you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will get you into this menu system. Here you have your modes. Here you have your puff clear. If you hard press it, the puff counter will be cleared. Get 5 clicks back into the menu. There you go. Here you have your exit. You can hard press to exit. Here you'll have your user record. So if you hold that, you get your version Gene AI 2.0. Total puff 180. Daily average puff 118. A vaping time 1 minute in total. Duration of a puff 0.9 seconds. Average power 15 watts. Oh, it went out of the menu there. Doesn't really give the reviewer a lot of time. Here you can lock the button with and then retain the auto fire. Here you have the modes. Now you saw the fire animation on the power mode. If you change to eco, which hard press, you get a different animation here, you see? And now when I'm firing it, it will suck up the balls. Quite funky though. Little bit, you also got this water here. Pretty cool animation. But yeah, it says I had 55 balls lost. Will that change now, the amount of balls? 54, so yeah, tells you how many balls you sucked up. It's like a little game. In my taste, a little bit too kid friendly, but yeah, some adults also like this kind of stuff in their defense. If you go back to the menu again, there we go, we hard press the mode. You also have a super mode. So eco mode is like putting the lower wattage on your on your device, and this time in increasing the lifespan of your pod. Well, super mode will increase the wattage. This also has a cool animation. Even changes color during the duration of the pod, of the puff. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is for people who like to go fast and maximize that output. So those are the 3 animations that come with the power modes. Yeah, I would have loved to see like a different menu for teams. So you could select which team you would want, and then a different menu for the modes. But then went for it like this, so yeah, we can't really change that. So it's kind of funky that they did that. So at least they're making use of the dual screen display. That everything is easy to read. So yeah, you got your Voopoo here branding, which you cannot turn off. Your puffs, your resistance, your mode that you're in. Let's go to a different mode again. Let's go to power mode again. It's not that I like the flame, but then you'll see your wattage here. And the battery is at 53%. So it will tell you your oh, it's the battery percentage, the number, not the amount of balls you take. So in any mode it will show you the battery percentage. Yeah, flame on. And so the body is constructed out of a zinc alloy. So it's quite heavy for this small pod. It's actually quite nice in the hand because of this size. I'm really digging this device. It's a great pod. So yeah, let's dive on top. So back on top with the Argus A pod. A really nice bulky pod. 1100 mAh battery is decent. If you're vaping it at 18 watts, it will suffice for a couple days. Flavor is great. I bet on the 0.4 pods you will get a decent output. Nice clicky fire button. The airflow control is really nice and tight and hard to move. So you can set it and forget it. So that's pretty okay. I like the big screens. I actually like this shape. I can imagine other people won't like it. It looks weird to people, but to me, yeah, I like it a lot. I have something substantial in my hand. And the physical on-off switch is pretty nice. There you go, you have your startup animation there. It starts vibrating as well. So yeah, I think they did they bought out a solid product there, Voopoo. Congratulations, I like it. So yeah. So if you like into the pod stratosphere and you like a big bulky pod with fast charging, a good battery life, funky animations, yeah. Well, you definitely gotta pick this one up. This was Vaping Big, and I'll see you guys in the next one.